Hi, good afternoon. How are you all doing? My name is Olaiton. I'm the CEO of Capital's Picture. I'm sorry I've not been making videos on this platform. It's because I've had a lot on my plate. I've had a lot to do at the same time, and it's not so easy combining everything. But I'm just here to teach you guys something that I learned or discovered yesterday, that I did yesterday, and I was so proud of myself, and I thought to share with you guys because I know someone would also be, because before now I've been trying to search on YouTube to see how I can do this thing by myself. So I'm talking about how to change your POP bulb. So if you look up there, you see my POP, the light, you see the light up there. So if it goes bad, how do you change it? So before now I've been trying to search on YouTube, how to change, just the normal way we change our bulbs at home when it's dead. So I've been trying to look for, I've been trying to download videos on how to change, but maybe I've not been using the right search word. I have no idea. But then at first I contacted my electrician to do it for me, and guess what, guys? He charged me 3,000 naira. Yes, initially I think he charged like 2,500 or thereabouts. Then later he called me that he was already at the market, Lagos Island. If you are all familiar with Lagos Island, you know that things are usually cheaper around there compared with your area. So initially he charged me 2,500. He said he was going to Lagos Island to get it. Then later on he called me and said it's 3,000. No, the thing has added money, blah blah blah. I said no problem. But then I didn't have money to change all, so I changed just a few and left the ones that I left some. I changed the ones that are the same, the center, like the ones I want, to brighten up my space. So, but then a day before yesterday, I decided to just, go to the electrical store in my area just to find out how much, if they have, and if I can try to fix it on my own. Because the day it came to fix, unfortunately I wasn't around. I was planning to be around so that I would see how it would go about it, but then I wasn't around. So up until that a day before yesterday, I didn't even know what the bulb looked like because I didn't see it when he brought it. So I do not know what it looks like. I thought it's just a normal bulb that you just have to remove this or go through the the decking or the ceiling to remove it. So but when I got to the store, the guy said 2,000 naira, for one, and I begged him, let me pay 1,800 now. Then later on, eventually, guess what? This guy sold it for me for 1,500. Yes, 1,500. He sold it for me 1,500. The exact same thing that I have here for 1,500. So I now asked him, how do I go about it? He said, you just remove the one there and fix this one back. He explained that you just remove it, like try to put your hand in, and I came home and tried it, and it worked out. And I saved some money. I saved 1,500. Who knows if he will even tell me it's 3,500 now, since things are really adding up these days. He probably would have told me it's now 3,500 or it's now 4,000. But I bought it for 1,500 each. 1,500 each. I bought it 1,500 and I fixed myself, and I was able to save some money. So I'm here to teach you guys how to change it on your own. I'm going to show you a video. You're going to watch a video now on how to change your POP bulb on your own if you want to. But I know rich kids, they won't understand this. Rich kids, they don't have to change it on their own. They can always contact to somebody. But of course, before now, I even change I can even change plug on my own, generator plug. I can change, the normal bulb that we have at home. Before now, I can change. So I do like to do things on my own and just save some cash because I don't have so much of it. So, but then I understand rich kids, you don't need someone to. This video is not for you. This video is for those that would like to do things by themselves. That's why. Yes, so for those that would like to do it themselves, so watch this video and learn how to change. It's pretty easy, but please remember to put your changeover neutral. Put it at neutral, please. Be very, very careful. Put it at neutral. Let's not go and get into trouble while trying to save money. So remember to put a neutral, you understand, while trying to fix the POP bulb yourself. So watch the video. Thank you. Bye. So here is how to remove the light, the one that is bad that you want to change. This is how to remove it. Just dip your hand, try to dip your hand, then the two springs by the side will just fall off. Then you see this wire, just try and remove this, disconnect the previous one, and then connect and sellotape. As you can see in this video, go ahead and sellotape. The two clips by the side is what you straighten and then clip back to the wall. Remember to change over when you are doing this. Can you see? This is me connecting other ones because I had to change about 5 of them. So this is me changing the next one, and this is still me changing the next one. Unfortunately, I didn't know the lady videoing me was not holding the phone well. So please see how I'm twisting the wire. When you must have disconnected the one that is bad, then you twist, just try and pay attention to how they did it before so that you can emulate that. So twist the wires and then sellotape, as you can see that I'm doing in this video. Go ahead and twist them together and then sellotape. I hope you understand me. So when you are done, you can see how I connected the wires here. So just connect,
Okay. So
try and use the previous one. You see now, you just clip it back.
Okay.
All you need to do is clip, and then this is a finished work. I'm done, and see how bright everywhere is and how